If you are looking for a great 65-watt USB-C charger for a computer that does USB-C, you're absolutely going to love this. We're going to take a look in a second. This is going to be great for the ThinkPad, the Yoga, the Chromebook, pretty much anything that takes USB-C. So you'll see right here, right off the bat, we're going to get a power plug right over here. You'll see here we got the 3 prongs right over here. Really well made on this. Some of these are not as tight. This one is very tight, which is awesome. And then this comes wrapped really nicely like this. So you'll see here, this is going to be the actual adapter itself right over there. And this is going to be our USB-C right over here. We also have a nice little instruction book here. I was going to walk you through everything. Super easy. All we're going to do here is just plug this in just like that. We're going to put this part in an outlet, and then we're going to put this in the device. One thing a lot of people don't think about, obviously this is for a laptop or a backup laptop battery or a replacement, but you could charge anything that is USB-C. So think of things like your headphones, some iPads, things like that. You could definitely use that if it has a USB-C. So if you're in a kind of a crunch, you could definitely use this. So if you're looking for a great backup charger, definitely check this one out.